Hi there, I'm Catherine Redford and I'm here at the show in Hartford, Connecticut with Bill Schroeder and my good friend Linda Hahn. And we're here to show you my favorite tools, and they might learn something, you never know. So my first favorite tool is the ever popular Quick Clip. This has been around since before I started quilting, and I've been quilting for almost 30 years, okay? And this we use to close our safety pins. How many of you have got one of these at home? Do you have one?
I do not.
Well, you should. Okay, it closes the safety pins. You put all the safety pins, I based with safety pins, you put them in, and then you go along and you close it. And it saves your fingernails, so when you get the next manicure, it'll last longer, okay?
That's good.
That would be good.
That would be
all right,
good.
okay. Second favorite tool that I also use in the machine quilting classroom, this is the Clover ballpoint awl. There you go. And this is a stiletto with a ball on the end. So this means that when I use it to open the ditch before I stitch, I don't break the threads. Okay, so there you are. Everybody needs one of those too. Can you think of a reason to have one of those?
Not off the top of my head, but if you quilt, you definitely need one of these.
Yes, you definitely do. But if you don't need it, I'll take it and I'll put it back in my box and it'll be ready for my next class. My two favorite tools.